Good day mga ka-CRT, welcome back again to our channel. I'm going to illustrate calculator technique using Canon 789 SGA Edition 2. This is in solving the determinants of a 3x3 matrix. Example, find the determinants of this matrix 315, negative 468, 127. For our reference, the answer for the determinants is 44. So in your calculator, Canon F789 SGA Edition 2, click Mode, then go to 7. This 7 is about matrix. Then choose matrix A, press 1, and choose the dimension. The dimension is 3x3. So press arrow down to look for the 3x3. And this is the 3x3, option 2. So press 2. And encode the values in the given matrix. So we have 3 equals 1 equals 5 equals negative 4 equals 6 equals 8 equals, then for the third row, 1 equals 2 equals and 7 equals. Okay, then press CA, press ups, then look for the function determinants or det. So just press arrow down. Then that is the determinant, the function det. Press 1. Then call for the matrix in A. So ups again. Then matrix A is in option 3. So press 3, close parenthesis, and press equal sign. So this is the answer using our calculator technique. The determinants of this matrix is 44. Let's try another example. Find the determinants of this 3x3 matrix. So you can start your calculator by pressing mode 7 again, or you can edit your matrix. If you want to edit your matrix, okay, so go to apps, then go to data. Okay, and go to your matrix. So you can edit that. Or you can start with mode 7 again. Then select matrix A. Then look for the 3x3. So arrow down and then look for 3x3. And enter the values. Okay? So let me continue at this point. So let us enter 2 equals negative 1 equals 3 equals. For the second row, 4 equals 0 equals 5 equals. For the third row, 1 equals 2 equals negative 2 equals. Then press AC or CA. Then ups, arrow down. Press 1 for the determinants. Ups again. Press 3 for matrix A. Close parenthesis and press equal sign. So the answer is negative 9 as indicated here. That's all for our calculator technique using Canon 789 SGA Edition 2 in solving the determinants of 3x3 matrix. See you in our next video tutorial.